Hi, my name is Niels Pontoppidan. I'm the Research Area Manager for Augmented Hearing here at Eriksholm Research Center. One of the most important problems that people with hearing loss have is the loss of segregation. People with normal hearing, they tune in and tune out to voices as they wish. When you're hearing impaired, it's like you're listening on a television without colors. That drives you crazy because you cannot tell who's saying what. That is one of the key problems with hearing loss that we are trying to investigate. One of the examples that I would like to talk about is how we can use AI to solve this problem. We can simply move the voices. They were too close so that you couldn't segregate them. We move them out here. Now you can listen to this, you can listen to that. With AI, we can do that in the future. The source for our knowledge is data from everyday use of hearing aids. These are some research prototype hearing aids. They log the sound environment parameters every minute, and they send it to a smartphone like this. And this smartphone, it is a ordinary remote, but it's also a remote with a memory. Whenever people use these hearing aids, we log how they operated the hearing devices. So which programs did they choose and how did they adjust the volume? And then we can actually begin to learn what is the optimal hearing aid strategy for you. What is your coping strategy? So we can actually make the next version of these hearing aids they get much more individualized than we could do today. It's together with the user and it's together with the hearing care professional. The employees in Augmented Hearing, they come from different backgrounds. I have a lot of engineers in this group. Then we also have one that started out as a musician, and we also have a hearing care professional. This composition of the group allows us to look into the technology, look into the real use of hearing devices. We need to know what can the technology offer and what are the problems. It's really, really fun to look out into the future and to work with ideas and making them fit inside such a small device like this. The thing that is really motivating about working with this research area is, of course, that we can help people with hearing loss. All the research that we do in augmented hearing is about transforming what hearing aids can do. We want to develop hearing aids that make people hear in color again. We want to make hearing aids that adjust them to you so that you don't have to consider that you are wearing a device. You teach it some things in the beginning and then it adapts to how you use it and how your environments are. The less you remember that you have the hearing aids, the better. So we want to make those capabilities available to people with hearing loss today. And also, once I get a hearing loss, that is also the kind of hearing devices that I would like to have.